doing something a little bit different from the past videos I've been doing. Today I'm going to be doing a Ghana tag. You talk about your ethnicity, so where you're from, and what your ethnicity is, and various facts about it. So yeah, that's what I'm going to be talking about today. The first question is, which part of Ghana are you from? I'm from Kumasi, the Ashanti region of Ghana. It's not Accra, because a lot of people think everyone's from Accra, but no, I'm from Kumasi. Were you born in Ghana? No, I was born in London, United Kingdom. What is your Ghanaian name? The main one is Adowa, which means I was born on Monday. My middle name, Tuozaafi, and that's my grandma's name, which is my middle name. And I've also got my household name, which is Mami. That's what I'm called. I'm not called my first name. What is your favourite Ghanaian dish? What a question. It has to be Jeho. Tuozaafi. So good, honestly. I've already done question number 4. Am I confused? 5. Show any Ghanaian attire. I couldn't find any, but I've got Kente. The significance of Kente is so important in Ghana. Do you speak any Ghanaian language? So yeah, I speak Tree, but I actually understand Fante as well. Only because Fante is really close to Tree. Like, it was the last time you went to Ghana? 2017. It was the first time I went to Ghana by myself. Who's your favourite Ghanaian artist? Have to say Kojo Entry. Modern, Kwame Eugene, Kojo Entry in terms of hip life and old school music. What is your favourite Ghanaian song? I'm gonna give you 4 of my favourite Ghanaian songs. Batolege by Euphoria and Pun. Kojo Entry and Framin Koho. Cake for Sue number 1, 100%. What do you have in your home that represents Ghana? This is used to crush like peppers. Basically, it's used to crush foods in a special mid-hard bowl. Hati, but Sapo is used to bath, shower, whatever you want to call it. The hard ones are the best types because you really scratch the skin. The symbol of Ghana. This is literally hand carved. It's a sweet mother that you hang on the wall. There's no way that you've gone to Ghana and you haven't gotten one of these. There's just no way. Like, Ghana is known for these beads. As well as being a Ghanaian girl. These are anklet. These are anklet beads. This is a waist bead. The main reason why infants wear anklet beads is to monitor their growth. If this gets too tight for their ankles and the waist bead gets too tight for their waist, then you can monitor their growth and you know that they are growing, and then you can replace in Ghana mainly to control the growth of their bum. That my mum was the source for that. Other people wear it, as in early adulthood people wear it just for, you know, the niceness of it, but they also know the meaning, and it also can monitor their weight gain as well. So if this gets tighter, once again, it doesn't stretch. So if you feel it getting tighter, then you gain tradition. The waist bead is used to entice the husband in marriage. Yeah, and that's the main reason why when you see like older women wearing it or something, it's mainly used in that context. If you guys don't know what Tuozaafi is, you need to get to know. Ghanaians, where you at? My grandma used to use this on all of us when we would hurt ourselves, scraping our knees in Ghana on the bloody concrete. She put this on our wounds and we wouldn't get any marks. Yeah, the butter, Queen Elizabeth, like brown, yellow. I'm gonna say one thing that I love about Ghana. It definitely has to be the culture that we have and that we celebrate. One thing I really like about Ghana is the natural landscape. Ghana's packed with so much culture, rich culture, like amazing dance, music, weddings, engagements, parties, just everything. The music, I love everything about Ghana. The dance, Adowa. If you guys don't know about it, check it. Adowa is the traditional dance of Ashanti people of Ghana, and it's done at ceremonies, weddings, all ceremonies, presidential, like anything you can think of. Every hand movement is communication. So this was the Ghana tag. I really hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Bye.